Hello, Stevie here, and today is a day that I'm showing off digital kits from Stevie Goes Digital in my Etsy shop. And this is kind of my new saying, because I've always had it backwards and tried to keep stuff until I fix it, and that's just too long. Here are my shops. You want to go check them out. Greatly appreciated. Okay, so this is the junk journal that I'm going to be working on, and I'm just getting things put together for it. And it's a book I gutted, and I'm going to leave the cover exactly how it is and make it a hidden spine in here. So I have been putting together a few pages in ephemeron and things that will go in it nicely. These are out of a book, maybe a National Geographic. And then my paper dolls that I have listed in Stevie Goes Digital. Little frame picture. And I have these folded so they could be a signature or just a loose so you could fussy cut them out. Now this I made just with regular copy paper, and which in fact this one I do believe I'm going to fold in half. And it is going to be in here as a signature page. This is how they kind of turned out on regular copy paper. And I tried to glue these two pages of the DigiKit together, and it was a definite fail. This is regular copy paper also. Not a total loss, because I can obviously do something with them. Cover this part up. Maybe even take, but not use wet glue to glue things down. And then I printed them out again with lightweight cardstock. So thicker but very flexible. And with this one, I printed out on both sides so that they just need to be cut out. But what I noticed is they're not exactly, and it's probably my printer, cut out right. So this is the side that needs to be cut, because this is the side that you could ink around or whatever, and it wouldn't matter if there's a little white border. So let's try it and see what happens. Now, I can't cut a straight line with a straight line, so I always blamed it on being an artist. No, color outside the lines. I'll link this kit in the description so that if you'd like to purchase it and Stevie goes digital in my Etsy shop, it will be there easily accessible. It's probably easier to fussy cut cardstock than regular copy paper. I tend to use copy paper because it's cheaper and you know. Okay. Yep, it did. It was off. Not sure why, but it has something to do with my printer. So this won't necessarily happen to you. But cut the side that you want to not have the white borders or the whiteness to it. Technically, you could cut that off. Why is it almost, again, can't cut a straight line with a straight line. Let's see. Yeah, that just means I gotta figure out why my printer is off to one side. So that when you take the paper and you see, yeah, it's a thinner line here and a thicker line here. And then, so it comes out on mine, it comes out this way. So when I put it back in, I have to flip it like this. So that means it's reversed in that. Yeah, so, yeah, I gotta figure my printer out. This can be used for all kinds of ways. You can print this out, and then print this page out, and then these would be backed. Oh, sorry. There's, oh, sorry. I don't know what that was. There's these that you can print out double-sided and only use one page of cardstock. And then you have your little journaling cards. Let's see. I want to look at the darkness on her. Yeah, I guess it's the same. You could also use colored pencils, I think would be the best. And use them on their faces and give them makeup if you want. All right, so I also cut out my Dark Thoughts DigiKit in Stevie Goes Digital. And these two I won't use for this journal, but this is what they look like printed out on cardstock. And these are all cut out, and I think they will go well in this journal as a little place. Say, you know, you have a not so bad thought, but it's still negative, and you can write it on one of these that isn't so dark, and then you kind of know that this isn't as serious of a bad thought, but your really dark thoughts you can, you know, write in here, and then you fold them up, and you just glue the whole thing so that you can't ever open it and look at them. And then you take one of your pages, say just one of these for example, and you have, let's see, take this and so much for a short video. I want to show you all these fun ways to use the DigiKits. Okay. Do it with your fingers, or you can do it with a bone folder if you have one. Best tool in the drawer, well, actually scissors are. And then you take, you can also make these like this, and get them lined up here. You can make them ahead of time. And this has a little, oh, well, look at that. Well, just ink those up, those little pieces here, and then you have a folded envelope. And when you have your just thoughts that you want to release to the universe, and you take it out of your tuck and you write on it, and then you glue it down. And you can even take it and burn it after you're done, or put it on the page. That's what I was going to say. Put it on the page here and just glue happy things and fun things all over the top of it, so that it is covered up. You could also use this page and not glue it down, and then tuck it in here and then glue it down, and makes it a little bit bulky, but that's just, it's still hidden away, and you have successfully release that to the universe. So that is my idea for my DigiKits. Hope you enjoyed it. Will like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment with positive thoughts, and have a great day. Bye.